EVA Technologies is taking significant steps to prepare for the growing demand of self-driving vehicles by increasing its production capacity of advanced 4D LiDAR sensors. Plans are in the works to set up new production lines in North America that can produce up to 200,000 units annually, starting in late 2026 and continuing into 2027. This move is a major milestone for EVA's business plans and follows the strengthening of its partnership with Daimler Truck North America, a leading truck manufacturer. EVA's 4D LiDAR sensors are being used in Daimler's self-driving trucking division, Torc Robotics, and the first Freightliner Cascadia trucks equipped with EVA's technology are already operating on roads in Texas. EVA's unique frequency modulated continuous wave, FMCW, 4D LiDAR technology uses a low-power continuous laser beam to measure range and velocity with high resolution at long ranges, enabling vehicles to unlock new levels of safety and automation. EVA also recently announced a major partnership with Sandia National Laboratories to help secure U.S. nuclear reactor facilities using its 4D LiDAR technology. The collaboration involves testing EVA's LiDAR system on-site to detect unwanted intruders in sensitive areas, including water intakes and areas with poor visibility. Sandia National Laboratories has completed its evaluation phase of EVA's technology and is planning to test it at a U.S. nuclear reactor site to assess its performance in enhancing security and detecting potential threats. EVA's 4D LiDAR system has demonstrated impressive capabilities, including detecting hard-to-see objects such as submerged threats up to 35 meters away. The system operates reliably in adverse weather conditions, complete darkness, and glare, making it well-suited for securing infrastructure sites. The technology provides precise 3D positioning with simultaneous velocity data, enabling faster and more reliable threat identification. EVA is diversifying its applications beyond self-driving cars, targeting infrastructure markets such as nuclear facilities, power plants, and airports. The company's unique FMCW LiDAR technology is being used in industries like industrial settings for precision factories and robotics, and intelligent transportation systems, ITS, for mobile speed enforcement. EVA's ability to track movement and provide real-time data makes it a competitive player in the ITS market. The partnership with Sandia National Laboratories is a significant validation of EVA's technology, allowing it to reach new business areas that value accuracy, reliability, and constant operation, well beyond just automotive use. For example, significant strides in the industrial sensing market are being made with its LiDAR sensor technology, particularly the EVE-1 sensor, which utilizes frequency-modulated continuous wave, FMCW, technology. Unlike traditional time-of-flight sensors, EVE-1 can detect not only distance but also tiny vibrations with high accuracy, making it ideal for critical industrial tasks such as electronics manufacturing, automotive manufacturing, and warehouse automation. EVA's strategy to target the industrial sensing market, which is valued at $4 billion, is paying off, with precision sensing solutions leaders like SICK AG and LMI Technologies integrating EVE-1 into their equipment. Notably, EVA adapted its existing sensor, originally designed for automotive applications, for use in factories and robots by modifying the software, allowing it to quickly enter a new market with healthy margins. This pivot positions EVA Technologies as more than just an automotive tech company, with its unique ability to sense ultra-fine motion, opening doors to opportunities in factory production and quality checking. EVA is establishing a strong presence in one of the most demanding industrial markets by leveraging this edge.